to demonstrate on how to utilize Advanced Fees app in order to set up the fee for the bag. So in some states, merchants are required to charge a bag fee during the transaction. And so Advanced Fees app is what we're going to utilize to set that up. So I have the fees set up, and let's call it a bag fee, right? Bag fee, there it is. And I'm assuming that this is going to be a flat dollar amount. Let's say, I don't know, 35 cents, right? And this is going to be order level, right? So you only want to charge this once, and it's going to be a conditional. And the question is going to be, do you need a bag? Buy a bag, right? So there it is, yes, no. And we're going to go ahead and save that. And there's our bag fee, and it's currently active. So now we're going to open the register and see how that behaves. So we have a brand new order open, and let's go ahead and just grab something and throw it in the item here, 1 pound. And as soon as you do that, the advanced fee will pop the question, do you want to buy a bag? Let's say yes. And there it is, bag fee 35 cents. So you can see that we're doing this as a custom item basically, and so the fee is added this way. There's another way to set it up, but in which case it can only be expressed if as a percentage. But I think for the bag fee, this is the best way to do it. So this is how the transaction went down on the register, right? And then let's just go ahead and open the advanced fee real quick and show you the edit. So this is what it looks like on the setup. We have the bag fee as the name, this is the question, it's order level, this is the amount, and the trigger is conditional. That's it. Thank you.